So if we can figure out what this angle between the location and the destination is, then we know how to update the position of the fly with each iteration of the animation loop. So how do we find this angle A? Well, it's pretty easy. If we know this amount here, I'll call this delta y, and this amount here, I'll call it delta x, then A is simply equal to the inverse tangent of delta y over delta x, because the tangent of A is equal to delta y over delta x, if you remember your basic trigonometry. So all we need to do is compute the inverse tangent of delta y over delta x. And Java has an implementation of the inverse tangent, and we can find delta y because we have the y-coordinate of the destination and we have the y-coordinate of the location, and we can find delta x because we have the x-coordinate of the destination and the x-coordinate of the location. So just to be more explicit, delta y is equal to destination 1 minus location 1, and delta x is equal to destination 0 minus location 0. So all we have to do is pass in those two things into the inverse tangent function, and we should have the angle A.